Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS Free NQT 2024 is announced. The test date is 15th January 24. What about the NQT exam free preparation? One of the most important point that I have to mention that this is a hiring opportunity for top colleges and this is a on campus opportunity. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that TCS announced that we would like to inform that TCS interested for the campus placement drive. Okay, so it is a on campus opportunity and we have to wait for the off campus opportunity from the TCS team. Okay, so this is TCS free NQT, but this is for on campus candidate. Okay, so one of the most important point that how to prepare for this opportunity, because there are three roles: Ninja, Digital, Prime, and the salary is 3 to 9 LPA, and for the postgraduate salary is up to 11 LPA plus. So basically we have a different opportunities on our channel that is related to hiring. We have a NQT preparation video, we have a TCS NQT day one preparation video. So soon we will post one video that is related to all about the pattern. Okay, so basically TCS mentioned that this opportunity is for all department, enclosed list of eligible students and TCS registration portal status. Eligible student to complete the TCS application form by December 21st. So it is depend upon college to college. One of the most important point, student must have registered the TCS application form on TCS Next Step portal. So basically you have to complete the application form on the TCS Next Step portal and in the IT section. Okay, there is a BPS section and there is a IT section. So you have to register in the IT section. After that you have to use your personal email ID on the Next Step portal. Email ID cannot be changed once submitted. Okay, please capture the 3 unique test preference from the list of tests mentioned in the Excel sheet. So one of the most important point, TCS would be doing eligibility check at various stage of selection process. Okay, TCS does not send job offer from any official email ID like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail or Hotmail. So basically TCS does not ask a candidate to deposit any money at any stage of recruitment process. So the TCS test date is Monday 15th January 24, and if you are from 2024 batch, so you are eligible for this opportunity because this is an on campus opportunity. Okay, as well as TCS eligibility criteria is if you are from BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSc, so you can apply for this opportunity. 60% or 6 CGPA is mandatory. Okay, and one of the most important point that what about the TCS NQT integrated test pattern? So there is a numerical, verbal, reasoning ability, advanced quantitative, advanced reasoning and advanced coding. So in the first section, okay, there is a chances that if you clear the first section, so there is a opportunity that is related to Ninja. Okay, and they will also consider the advanced section as well. So if you perform very well in both sections, so they will give you digital opportunity. And if the excellent performance according to this all sections, so there is a prime offer. Okay, so basically for aptitude, okay, so let's talk about the resources strategy. So for aptitude there is a free website, IndiaBix. Okay, so let me show you the website. This is a IndiaBix website in which there are like thousands of questions that is related to aptitude, verbal, reasoning, general aptitude, engineering related, programming related. So you have to prepare from this website, or you can check so many different videos on YouTube. As well as we have a TCS Launchpad that is related to interview preparation, TCS free NQT preparation. So you can prepare for that. And for coding section, you can solve the previous year question. Okay, you will solve the previous year question. So it is very enough to crack the TCS examination, because यहाँ पर ये रहेगा कि वो आपका logic check करेंगे. Okay, so basically this is very very important. And we have a offer category of Ninja, Digital and Prime. So basically Ninja is 3.3 LPA, Digital is 7 LPA, Prime is 9.59 LPA, and it is for undergraduate courses. For postgraduate courses we have an opportunity of 3.5 LPA, 7.3 LPA and 11.5 LPA. Okay, so basically for aptitude, you have to prepare from India Bix website and previous year question. For coding, you can solve the previous year question as well. So if you want free preparation videos of TCS, let me know that in the comment section. And this hiring is very good for the 24 batch. So best wishes for the test, and like start your preparation for this opportunity. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.